Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to US Highway 67 in Arkansas. This major route runs through the eastern and central parts of the state and serves as an important connector between small towns and larger cities. The highway is often called the Rock and Roll Highway for its ties to early music history. US 67 passes through communities that grew around farming, timber, and transportation. Much of the road follows paths first used in the early 20th century as Arkansas expanded its roadway system. Several towns along the route saw population changes as industries shifted over time. Sections of the highway have been widened to support safer and faster travel. The road continues north toward Missouri and south toward Little Rock, making it a key travel corridor. It offers a clear look at the landscape and history of Arkansas. Thank you for joining us on this drive along US Highway 67 in Arkansas.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!